Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Abby Asselin and I'm a lifestyle and college YouTuber. I go to the University of Alabama and I'm in graduate school right now, and I also make YouTube videos obviously. And today I'm actually going to be showing you all my Notion. So I got my Notion I guess started this last week, which was my first week of classes. I've known about it since like November and I just never like took the time to explore it. And I kept seeing stuff on TikTok and Pinterest and like YouTube and kept getting more and more intrigued by it. So I was like, you know what, I think I'm gonna try it. What is there to lose? So I went ahead and bit the bullet, tried it. I spent multiple hours, like 3 or 4 days in a row, and I'm still making little final touches here and there. So this probably is not like my finalized Notion that I'm going to be showing you all today, but for the most part it's done, and I really just wanted to share it with you all and walk you all through like what I did, how I did it. I did not personally use a template from someone else. I wanted to kind of just like figure out on my own what I wanted, because I feel like if I imported someone else's template I would end up having a lot of things that are not really necessary, and I would end up just keeping them for the sake of feeling like I needed to use them. So I really wanted it to be very minimal and only include what I felt I would use and need.